Hello, my friends. I had some paint left over from that last pour I did, the ring and ribbon on the round one with the wacky colors. So I decided to use up the paint, and this time I've added a couple drops of silicone in 3 of the purple colors. And I'm just going to sandwich in the paints one layer and do a flip cup and see what happens. I did thin them down a little bit, added just a little more medium to each color. So it's thinned down, which you need with when you're using silicone. I think I haven't used silicone in a long time, but I'm sure it was far too thick for the as it was for the ring and ribbon pour. So this is thinner. This one has silicone in it. And I haven't used silicone with this mix yet, so I'm kind of excited to see what happens. No silicone in this one. Silicone in this one. Silicone in this one. And no silicone. And now looking at this is a 12 by 12. This is a 9-ounce cup, and that's only about 7 ounces. I don't think that's nearly enough paint for this. And because I have silicone in here, I want to put a little bit of a base coat down. I'm going to quickly mix some white and put a thin coat down. So I'm sorry, I shall be right back. Okay, well, I have returned, and I'm going to do this flip cup. I put down a thin coat of white, and here we go. I haven't done a flip cup in so long, and I've used silicone in ages, so quite interested to see how this pouring medium works with it. I wouldn't normally even bother with a base coat, except, as I said, I don't feel I had enough paint in there. Usually I just do a flip cup on a bare canvas. But maybe I'll like it. Maybe I'll move it around a little bit like this. Or not. There's quite a bit of suction there. Okay. Here we go. Flip. Oh. Some pretty cells. Just for fun. Okay, where is torch? Let's see what happens. Apply some heat to this. And they're pretty good shaped cells. All right, move it around. This is the kind of the shape cell I really like. And over here, those are good. I don't like that thing happening there. It's too bad right in the middle because everything surrounding it looks pretty good. Oh well. Yeah, I really don't like that at all. Maybe I'll smash it with a balloon or something. Look at that one. That's fun. Oh, they're getting very misshapen. Have anything left in here? I do. Tempted to well, I was gonna maybe do the ribbon thing, but I think it's too thin now, so I'm gonna scrape the rest of the paint in here. Or yeah, there's quite a bit of paint in there. There's probably a good ½ inch of paint. It's too much to waste, so I'm gonna scrape all that I can into the original cup. And then I'm going to do a just straight pour over some area I don't like. And that's going to be hard to decide because there's not much about this I do like. But live and learn, right? You're not going to know. That's what it's all about, experimentation. And I have to show you the fails as well as the good ones. What a mess. This is such a messy art form. Oh, I often want to quit, and I have, because of the mess. I've quit for the longest I went was maybe 6 months and did other things, but somehow I'm always drawn back to it. Okay, you know, I'm going to try a ribbon and see if it holds its shape. I'm just going to kind of follow along this line here. Oh, I forgot I had the silicone in there, so my lines are going to have cells in them. That's not bad. And now I'm not hating that thing so much. Looks kind of like a couple of monkeys in there. And the cells I liked initially are so stretched out and weird. I don't know. But whoops. That's kind of fun. Where there's silicone in the ribbons. This is so weird. I kind of like it. One more. I have enough for one more. And that's about it. Oh my gosh, I kind of like it. Am I nuts? It's so weird. I like it. I wish I had some darker. I wish I had some of the deep purple. I would run a few more. I love this right here. Oh well, I'm done. Let me bring you in for a closer look. There's so much to look at here. Isn't that fun, the way the cells have popped up in there? I like that green strip there. I don't know. It's very, very weird. I kind of like it. Tell me what you think. Tell me if I should explore some more with silicone or skip it. Thanks for watching. If you've stuck this long, stuck with me. Thank you. Bye-bye.